In today's fast-moving education environment, creating and managing board docs is still surprisingly manual. Multiple teams work on different sections, approvals happen over emails, versions get lost, and deadlines keep getting pushed. The result? Wasted time, delayed decisions, and unnecessary stress for administrators and board teams. Introducing K-12 BoardDocs, a centralized, intelligent platform designed to simplify the entire board document creation and approval process. With customizable templates, section-wise content building, real-time commentary, and preview-ready PDF generation, the K-12 BoardDoc Builder removes every bottleneck from your workflow. Built-in approval and denial workflows at both section and document levels ensure complete transparency and accountability. And once approved, docs can be instantly published or integrated directly into your public website. The K-12 BoardDoc Hub helps organizations reduce board document creation time by up to 80%, improve collaboration across teams, and deliver error-free, board-ready reports with confidence. It improves efficiency, ensures compliance, and gives leadership complete visibility into the reporting lifecycle. Most importantly, it allows your teams to focus on outcomes, not administration. Transform the way you create, review, and publish board docs. Experience speed, clarity, and control with the Report Builder application.